Okay, so hi guys. Welcome back to a new video, and today I was gonna record a GD World video, but so I was very bored because I created a new level called Easy Machine, but I am not done completing the level. Oh my gosh, there's like a lot of hair on my screen right now. Wait, where's my cap by the way? I need it. Okay, so yeah, so I made this mod myself. Yeah, let me explain. So if I so the I made my own mod for Polydash, but it's low-key cheap, by the way. But also this mod is called If You Die Once in. But so if I die in Polydash or in one of my levels or whatever level I play, then I wait. For example, then let's play Stereo Madness. Yeah, basically that's what it means. Yeah, I made my own mod. So you know what? How about we do some? We doing no practice mode, baby. We doing no practice mode. Okay, let's get back on easy. I don't know why everything is just blue, bro. Like everything just blue. Like what the hell? I'm like, what the heck? Oh my gosh, dude. Holy freak. I don't know if the sound's gonna be possible, but yeah, Loki, this mod is cheap. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna, yeah. Yeah, my thing is gonna lag is, I don't know. I'm a mini ship, by the way. Please, I don't. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes, we made it. Oh my gosh, let's freaking go. Oh my gosh. How about we do the 70s Temu edition? Please, I don't die. Oh my gosh. Oh freak, I almost died. Wait, oh my gosh. Hitsu. Oh my gosh, dude. What? I didn't beat the level, now you're only sneezing. Okay, I'm gonna beat it with ship only. It's much better. Oh, oh my goodness, I can't. Bro, I can't. Okay, making a time. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Why? Wait, why is this oh my gosh. This is actually so hard, not gonna lie. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna do it. Okay, freak the dual portals and also the yeah, freak the technique that I made. Just freak. There's a tight gap there, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, making the time full version. Okay, I'm ready for you, bro. It's oh my gosh. Like, bro, like this mod is actually so cheap. Oh wait, what is wait, look, let me go in text mode. Wait, guys, look here. What is Riot have no teeth? Usually, okay, guys, I just think the full version is oh, okay, no, freak, oh freak, oh my gosh, I'm an old, oh my gosh, oh, yeah. Is this really the full version? Are you freaking kidding me? I don't know why the heck did I even made it. Kaka pen. Oh my gosh, why did I even made this? Okay, okay. It's oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. It's wait, was I supposed to go in there in the first place? Okay, okay. Oh my gosh. It's okay. I quit, brother. Wait, I quit, brother. I quit, brother. Oh, it's yeah. I told you guys this was cheap because I'm like literally making the noise. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm literally making the noise, but oh, like what? Oh my gosh, dude, like what? Wait, what the heck is the? Wait. Huh? I'm not gonna play that, but how about we play the Scary Nightmare? This is like Extreme Demon, by the way. So I better get hyped for this. Oh yeah, I forgot. I think it's oh my gosh. Huh, you guys actually thought I would say OMG. Heck no, man. I'm a Catholic and I would never. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Mm. Mm. It's. I don't. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a mini UFO with the big swing of the. Oh my gosh, dude. What the heck? Okay, Scary Nightmare isn't that bad. It's kind of fun, by the way. Burnout. We. Threats mode. Oh, hi there, buddy boy. Wait, why is this dude acting? Oh yeah, guys, by the way, I'm also acting. Please, please don't tell the devs, please. It's... oh my goodness. Dolph. Oh, it's... hey, yo, what was that sound? Okay, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Okay, we beat it, gang, we beat it. Hey, we beat it. Actually, behind the camera, guys, I'm actually sneezing, so this mod, I told you guys this mod is cheap, so yeah. I hate the Moon Battle 14 hours, and I swear to God, I hate mini swing copter. I prefer big swing copters way better. Wait, why the heck did wait, wait, the mod wasn't supposed to sound like that, actually. I'm actually not lying, the mod was actually not supposed to sound like that. Thank you for playing. Oh, you're welcome, Moon. Okay, code 111. Okay, I don't know. I don't showcase this on YouTube, by the way, so yeah, get your thoughts up. Okay, I didn't die. That's good. Oh my gosh, not this stupid level again. Oh my gosh, what the fudge, dude. Okay, it's oh my gosh, dude, what is wrong with this goofy? It's oh my gosh, what is wrong with it's oh my gosh, well, like why? Why does it keep sneezing, bro? Like what? That's oh my gosh, stop sneezing, bro. I'm also kind of Oh my goodness, bro! Can you stop? Achoo! I actually just hate this mod, bro. I hate this mod by Achoo! Oh my gosh, you know what? Freak it, just fudge it. Achoo! Oh my goodness! No, I actually need to. Achoo! Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Okay, I actually need. Achoo! Dude, frame. Actually, oh my god. Oh my gosh. I actually need to do a frame perfect here. Achoo. Achoo. Okay, stop sneezing, bro. Achoo. Okay, bro. Achoo. 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 Hey, yo, stop sneezing, bro. Chill. Okay, so this is my first challenge ever. Wait, actually, this is the Moonbutter 14 challenge 3. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, bro. Like, I'm so lucky. Thank God. Thank God that I'm down this evil, stupid level. Easy machine. Yeah, guys, I'm in the lounge, by the way, and the Wi-Fi is not gonna lie, the Wi-Fi is just fine. Oh my gosh, I almost died there, bro. It's oh my god, oh my gosh, dude, like what? Oh my gosh, if this filter actually, Moon, you're so cute. Hey yo, what? What the heck did you just say to me? Wait, what did this filter actually say to me? I might be cooked. Oh, we actually made it a swing. Let's go. Oh yeah, guys. Also, I didn't know what the heck did the guy say there. Wait, let's do that again. And wait, what? The last time because I need to go to bed as well. Wait, what? It was I mean, oh man, you're so cute. Wait, hey yo, I swear to God, this filter wasn't supposed to flirt with me. Okay guys, I know one of my classmates might watch this video because they just know. And as you know. Oh yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you liked it, please make sure to subscribe. And this is the Moonbutter 14 challenge. Part 3. Also, I'm not trying to copy Malpan. He's a South Korean YouTuber, by the way, and yeah, I'm not trying to, like, as you can see, Polydash 2.2. I'm not trying to be like him. I'm not. Okay. I am jealous of him because he's like editing skills and editing videos and making like meme videos. It's just honestly, his videos are kind of inspiring to me. So yeah, shout out to Malpan for inspiring me with these videos. Oh yeah, by the way, it's not sponsored. So yeah, bye guys.